Hello, this is Tyler with Environmental Works, map 5235, Southeast Santa Monica Court, to perform a video sewer line inspection to determine the serviceability of the sewer line going from the house to the city main. I've accessed the line today through a 4-inch cast iron cleanout located in the front planter. I am currently in the horizontal lateral now with water flowing. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and set my foot marker to read 0 and begin the inspection. And we're continuing to see some debris collecting along the sides of the pipe here. Seems as though this is maybe some potential baby wipes that is collecting along the sides of the scaling of the cast iron pipe. So far it seems to be functioning, not seeing any major issues. Here at approximately 45 feet, the line's transitioning into a 6-inch concrete pipe, and at this location it's hard to see on the right hand side of the pipe there, but we'll take a look at that on the way back with the water shut off. Here at approximately 53 feet at this joint, we're seeing possible roots or soil penetrations coming through here. If it's roots, it's got quite a bit of debris and grease kind of collected along the sides, but it does not look like it's looking pretty good at this joint. Once again, we're at 54 feet. I'm going to go ahead and locate this on the way back. Whatever it is, it looks like it's a separated joint where there's some debris coming in, or roots. And looks like we're coming up on another questionable joint here as well. Seems like these two fittings might be a little separated at this pipe section here. So we have another separated joint here at 57 feet. Here at approximately 61 feet, the line makes connection to the city main. At this point, we're going to go ahead and shut the water off and reinspect the line on the way back. We'll pull back a few feet here. It looks like we might be connected to a manhole. Alright, we have located the main. It is in fact connecting at the manhole in the street of Southwest Santa Monica Court. Marked out with white paint, getting a depth of around 10 feet deep here. I'm going to go ahead and pull back. Now that we have the water shut off, it does look like there is a little bit of a separation here. However, it is holding water at the bottom. With this section of concrete here, still would say that it is separated, as we are seeing what looks like just some debris sort of collecting in the pipe joint there. So I'm going to go ahead and locate this and mark it out. Alright, located this area. It is in this street. We're just going to go ahead and pull back to the face of curb and determine where that is with the locate. Alright, we located the face of curb here as well, and it is marked out with white paint. So as we see, this is in Multnomah County. We are looking at like that issue is within the city's portion of the sewer line. Alright, looks like we're seeing some debris in the line here. Again, looks like a wipe that is moving here. I'm going to go ahead and try and see if we can move it around. Yeah, it just seems like it's just a little bit of a baby wipe collecting along the sides of the pipe there. Alright, this concludes the video sewer line inspection at 5235 Southwest Santa Monica Court. The serviceability of the property owner's portion of the sewer line appears to be functioning properly and no recommendations are needed at this time. However, the city's portion of the sewer line does appear to be compromised due to separated joints, and we would recommend sending the video to the city for their review.